Hi guys, welcome back again to another video. If this is your first time here, or if you're just coming across my face for the first time, hi, my name is Bukola and you're welcome to my channel. And if you love what I do here, please consider clicking on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification as well, so that anytime I drop new videos, you're always going to be notified. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can successfully upload your YouTube channel hat and how you can successfully edit your YouTube channel hat. I know a lot of people might be facing a little bit of challenges doing this, because sometimes when you upload images that are larger or lower to the size of the YouTube channel hat, it is not going to work, because I've experienced this before. So if you fall into that category of people who are trying to like edit and post a new YouTube channel hat and you don't know how to go about it, or you don't know what to do, I'm going to be showing you a very simple step on how you can do it and get the best you want. And there's a lot of templates for you to choose from, which I think that's what actually makes this so amazing. So if you're interested in learning how to edit your own YouTube channel hat and as well uploading your YouTube channel hat, then definitely make sure you stay on this video and keep watching.
To go to canva.com. If you don't know, they have a free plan and they as well have a paid plan as well. So you really don't need, but you don't need to pay to be able to use these particular features on canva.com. So just go on your system, just go to canva.com and maybe sign up or sign in, whichever one, because I know some people might have an account with them before. So once you are at the home page, then type in at this side, just type in YouTube channel, just type in YouTube channel hat. You don't need to bother about the size, don't worry, just type in YouTube channel hat. And yeah, just pick, then you can just go through all of these things, just go through everything. I think I mistakenly clicked on the travel type. Just go to normal YouTube channel hat. That's going to bring out a lot of options for you. So there's a lot. All these things you are seeing are pictures that are going to fit into your YouTube channel hat, that is not going to stress you. So just keep scrolling and just check for the ones you want. I want you to relax and do this, because you don't need to rush just to get the perfect image you want, or maybe probably have an image of how you want it to come out on your head. So you need to calm down. You really need to chill to be able to get the one you want. So just go through all of these templates to know the one you are going to be working with. Everything fits into your YouTube channel hat. There's the way YouTube is going to do that, but we're going to get to that side very soon. So let's just work on this and look for something that we can use. Yeah, I'm just checking to see the one I can use for this tutorial. Okay, let's pick, this is paid, so we are going to look for the free one. There you can see this is paid, it's paid here, so definitely we can't use this one, because this is a free plan, not a paid plan. So let me go far too much. Let's go to a very close place. Okay, let's use this. Click on the one you want to use. Yeah, if you're able to get the one you like, just click on the one you want to use. This is a game with Alfredo, but now I am going to be changing this. I'm going to be changing whatever thing that is written inside. I'm using a demo account, and the name of the demo account is Clarity. So if I want to I want my name to appear whenever they click on my YouTube page, and yeah. And then probably because it is a YouTube channel hat, you can just type in something like new videos every day, or you can type in like new videos Monday, Thursday, Saturday, or anything, even if it's like your motto for your channel, or I don't know, just something. Just, I know you have a plan, you know how you want your YouTube channel hat to look like. So if it is something like new video every week, new video every week, then it's fine. And if you want to change this particular logo here, you can definitely change it. If you like the logo that is there and you want to change the color, you can definitely change it. But I don't know, let me just look for a new thing that I can use, that I can replace this with. So we're just going to delete this. Then I'm going to look for like a new picture. I'm able to find one. I'm going to look for a new picture that I can use to replace this. So clarity, right? You can search if you're going to be seeing. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but you can just search. Sometimes you might find something related to whatever thing whatever thing your channel name is. So clarity, yeah, something like this. This is paid. We can't use it. I think almost all of these are paid, so definitely we cannot use it. So if you want to work with this, I will advise you go for things that are free, unless you're ready to pay and upgrade to the next plan. But if you don't have anything, then you can just look for the normal. Just find the logo that you think is going to fit well into your. This one is free, so I think I like this. So I'm going to be working with this, and I'm going to like make it very small. I'm not going to be putting it at the top anymore. I'm going to be putting it by the side. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. See, I've learned something that your logo does not have to be like, how am I supposed to say it? The logo does not have to be too big. It doesn't have to be too dramatic. Just take something simple, and yeah, we're going to move it closer to this particular one. So we're going to move it over to this place. Yeah. And just set it the way you want. Now this is a very simple YouTube channel hat. If you still want to add something like your Instagram, your Facebook, or you just want to add their logo there, or you want to add your name, immediately click on logo on this side. They are going to bring it out for you a WhatsApp, Instagram, and a Facebook logo, which is free, so you don't need to download any PNG or whatever. So yeah, we are working with this, and I think I like this. I think this is looking so interesting. So let's save this and go and check if this fits into our YouTube channel hat. So let's just wait. I think it's downloading, so let's wait. Yeah, saved. So we're going to move into our YouTube channel art now. So you guys, this is the demo account that I'm going to be using, and yeah, once you get to your home page, you just click here and then click on your YouTube studio. This is a very simple way to get into where you're going to be uploading the particular picture we saved. So once you get here, I want you to check down. You're going to be seeing something like customization. Yeah, customization. Yeah, when you get here, just go to branding. So you get like beautifying your channel. You want to brand your channel basically. So I know I have one year before, because I've actually tried another one year as well before I decided I was going to share this. So what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be changing this particular channel hat. This is like the profile picture, but we're talking about channel hat today. This is our channel hat. So this is giving you a display of how it's going to be shown on a system, on a TV, on a system, and as well on a phone. So let's say we want to change this channel hat now. You know, normally there's something like, for the best result on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 by 1152 pixel and 6 MB or less. So those are one of the challenges. If you're not able to get the perfect size, you might be finding it so difficult to change your YouTube channel hat. So let's change. Just click on change. Then I'm going to be looking for the one I just saved. I think this is it. This is the clarity one I just changed. So let's open it. Can you guys see that this fits perfectly? And even if you still want to add something more to your YouTube channel hat, see, there's a lot of space here if you want to add it. I mean, a lot of space here. So if something like, even you making this go up a bit, you can do it if you want it, or making it come to the side, but I think middle is alright. This side can go for your logo, for your YouTube, for your Facebook, probably your Instagram name, or whatever thing you want to add to it. Let me tell you, YouTube channel hats are not the same. There is no way that, okay, you have to do it a certain way, or it has to have your WhatsApp number, or it has to have your Instagram name. It's just what you want. Design it the way you want. Design it the way it's going to make you happy. So this is it now. This is the clarity, new video every week, and this is our logo right here. And yeah, this is very simple. I'm making this very simple because of those that are just trying to start out and they are looking for a way to make their channel look very, very good and appealing. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this tutorial. So if you know you get this side, all you have to do is just click on done. But yeah, we are not still done. I think you can notice that this place has changed. Even if you still want to use the same picture as your profile picture, then let's change as well. Let's see how it comes out. So we're going to be using green. Yeah. So let's open. Can you see? So this is how it's going to be looking if it is coming, or if it is going to be your profile picture. So let's click on done as well. So you don't just click on done and leave. You have to publish it to make it clear that, okay, I want this to be on my YouTube channel. So just click on publish. So I think it's publishing now. Then she bring out something like go to, okay, yeah, this is go to channel. Let's go to the channel and see what our YouTube channel hat is looking like. So this is what it's looking like. This is our YouTube channel hat, and you guys can see how it is looking. So if you know you want to do your own, you want to add more things to it, it's just to type. All you have to do is type whatever thing you want to add to it. If it is an image of something you want to add to it, you can as well add image to it. You can search for some logo. If you don't have an idea of what you want your logo to look like, you can search for it as well. And yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I think this is still very okay and very clear. As a beginner, this should not even take you 5 minutes or even 3 minutes. So yeah, that's that about creating a YouTube channel hat, and as well probably publishing your profile picture as well. And I hope this is very clear, and that's why I'm using clarity. Okay guys, so yeah.
So you guys, I hope this is a lot more helpful, and I hope you have been able to follow along and do your own as well. If you are able to successfully do your own, please tag me on Instagram. Let me know if it particularly helps you. And then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you watch this video to this particular point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I am begging you, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification as well, so that you always get updated anytime I drop new videos. And yeah, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.